Notion Habit Tracker with Progress Bar. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, go to Notion.com and log in using your Gmail account. Once you're in, click on Templates from the left side menu. In the search bar at the top, type Habit Tracker and hit Enter. From a list of results, select the second template. This one comes with a built-in progress bar, which makes tracking more visual and satisfying. Click the Add button to duplicate the template into your workspace. After that, go to the Private section on the left sidebar and click on the template you just added. You'll now see your brand new habit tracker, complete with progress bars and streak tracking. To start personalizing it, click on the habit names and edit them to fit your routine. You can also change the descriptions below each one to add more context or motivation. When you complete a habit, just hit the Done button next to it, and you'll see the progress bar automatically update. The more you check off, the more it fills up. You can also view your streaks and track how consistently you've been sticking to your habits.